Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So the uploads from me are now raining in. Anyhow, I just recently uploaded a video of my engine is going in for a swap, etc., and the issues I'm having with it, which was a scoring on cylinder number 3. I've had a cold for a week. I have a ton of things to do at work, so that video came out late, and this video is actually then being posted now as I have picked up the car from the dealer. So the engine is swapped. So it was a full crate engine, meaning it came fully assembled. The only thing that was transferred over was the manifold, throttle body, air filter, and so on. However, I'm a bit sad. I'll post or I'll link in a video now of how the new motor sounds, and you tell me if I should be worried, sad, crying, laughing, pulling my hair, which I don't have any, maybe my back hair, sorry, but have a look, and after you have seen that video or footage, we'll come back and we discuss it further. So, as you saw from that clip, it doesn't sound nice at all. It even sounds worse than the other. The most, I don't know, the most interesting part is that it sounds exactly the same as the previous motor. So, I don't know if it's scoring or whatever or whatnot on this one as well, or if it's something with the valve train, valves, timing, I don't know. And also it seems to be some sort of a leak potentially from somewhere, or some misfiring potentially as well. I don't know. The exhaust note of the car is not the same as the previous motor, as far as I have heard or experienced for these. I have driven it for like, what is it, 150 kilometers now. So I don't know, I'm really sad, to be honest. I have to call the dealer again tomorrow to see what we can do. Most potentially I have to go by there, and then they have to listen again, and they have to take it in and whatnot. And I haven't heard anything back from as I mentioned in my previous video, from the original dealer from which I purchased the car, of what options we have, because I have some other issues that needs to be taken care of with this car. So I don't know, let's see how it goes. And the winter has finally come to Sweden as well, or at least Stockholm where I'm living, and it's really cold and it's really icy, and I have 255 section tires all around. I have Nokia Hakkapeliitta R2 tires, so it's stud-free tires. And man, in these conditions, this car is a bit tricky to drive. In roundabouts, anything with a corner more or less, where you have to, or you give it just a tad throttle, the end just goes away. So you need to be really careful for those of you who plan to drive this car during winter. I mean, as long as you're careful, I don't think it's going to be an issue. However, with that said, I'll try it with these tires some more. If I find it not suitable at all for these conditions, I will actually swap to studded tires, just for a safety precaution, because I pick up my children from school or leave them to school or kindergarten and so on a daily basis. So we want to travel safe. Anywho, thanks for watching. I'll let you know as soon as I have posted, as soon as I have been at the dealer or spoken with the dealer to see what we can do next. As of now, I have no further information. Apart from that, I'm a bit heartbroken. I mean, it's a car, even though it's just a car, as most of you are just viewing right now, we're car enthusiasts and so on, and it hurts us a bit more than a regular Joe who just drives the car to and from work or whatever, uses it as a transportation vehicle, so to speak. Anyhow, thumbs up if you like, thumbs down if you don't like. Subscribe if you like, and I'll try to give you some updates when I have it. Until the next time, guys, see you and take care.